Hey, my doggy bear. He's a good boy. He's a big, beautiful ox. Who's a big, beautiful ox? Huh? Who's the man? Who's the man? Huh? Look at this. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Who's a good boy? He's such a good boy. Do you realize that? People love him. Look at his belly. Look at it.
Hi, Beans.
Can you rub my belly? He's not going down like the pigs, though. The cows are like, well, I guess a belly rub is okay, but not as good as a face rub. Not as good as a cheek rub. Look at these eyelashes. Look at that. Beaver's a pretty boy. Oh, he's so pretty. He's so majestic. Oh, so majestic. Look at this man. Look at this man. Good boy.